What are the benefits of increasing your testosterone levels? 1. Healthy heart and blood. A healthy heart pumps blood to the rest of the body, providing muscles and organs with the oxygen needed for peak performance. Testosterone helps red blood cell production through the bone marrow. Low testosterone levels are linked to a variety of cardiovascular risks. But can testosterone replacement therapy help with heart disease? A recent large study of 83,000 men found that men whose testosterone levels returned to normal were 24% less likely to have a heart attack and 36% less likely to experience a stroke. 2. Less fat, more muscle. Testosterone is responsible for increased muscle mass. Leaner body mass helps control weight and increases energy. For men with low testosterone, treatment can decrease fat mass and increase muscle size and strength. Some men reported a change in lean body mass, but no increase in strength. It's likely you'll see the most benefits when you combine testosterone therapy with strength training and exercise. 3. Stronger bones. Testosterone plays a huge role in bone mineral density. Bone density decreases as men age and testosterone levels drop. This raises the risk of weak bones and osteoporosis. Strong bones help support your muscles and internal organs, which can boost athletic performance. Research shows that bone density increases with testosterone treatment as long as the dose is high enough. Clinical trials on the effect of testosterone on bone density found increases in spinal and hip bone density. 4. Better libido. Testosterone levels naturally rise in response to sexual arousal and activity. Men with higher levels of testosterone usually have greater sexual activity. Older men need more testosterone for libido and erectile function. But it's important to note that erectile dysfunction is often due to other conditions or medications rather than low testosterone levels. Studies show that testosterone therapy can benefit your sexual health and performance. It also shows that there is a maximum level of testosterone before there's no increased response. 5. Better verbal memory, spatial abilities, or mathematical reasoning. Research shows that men with higher ratios of total testosterone have a reduced incidence of Alzheimer's disease. There's also evidence for a strong correlation between testosterone and thinking abilities, such as verbal memory and faster processing speed. Testosterone treatment for men 34 to 70 years old has shown an improvement in spatial memory. If you have any questions, please call us at 305-9015888.